are you? This is my daddy.
Hello guys, how are you? I wish you're doing great. This is my daughter Salma. Hello Salma.
Hello, daddy.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you ready to study English?
Yes, I am.
Very good. So this is
knife.
This is a knife.
This is a knife.
What color is the knife?
Orange.
Great. The knife is orange.
The knife is orange.
Very good. And what's this?
This is a spoon.
How do you spell spoon?
S-P-O-O-N.
How many spoons are there?
3.
There are 3 spoons.
There are 3 spoons.
Very good. And what's this? Yes, this is a plate.
Plate.
This is a plate.
This is a plate.
Very good. And what's this?
Glass.
This is a glass.
This is a glass.
Okay, how do you spell glass?
G-L-A-S-S.
Very good. And what's this?
Glasses.
Very good. These are glasses.
These are glasses.
How do you spell glasses? G.
G-L-A-S-S-E-S.
Very good. Great. And what's this?
This is a soda.
This is soda.
This is soda.
Very good. How do you spell soda?
S-O-D-A.
Very good. And what's this? This is a teapot.
This is a teapot.
Very good. This is a teapot.
This is a teapot.
Great. And what's this? This is a lunchbox.
This is a lunchbox.
This is a lunchbox.
This is a lunchbox.
What color is the lunchbox? What color is it?
The lunchbox is
I think it's purple.
purple.
Great. It's purple. Great. And what's this?
Doll. It's a doll.
Very good. Is it your doll?
Yes.
It
Yes.
is.
Yes, it is.
Is it your doll?
Yes, it is.
Very good. And this is sugar.
This is sugar.
What color is sugar?
The
Sugar
sugar
is
is
white.
white.
What color is sugar?
Is sugar.
The sugar
The sugar
is
is white.
Where is sugar? Where is sugar?
The sugar
Is
is
in
in
the
the
plate.
plate.
In the plate. Very good. Repeat. The sugar
The sugar in the
is
is
in
in
the plate. Very good. And where is the lunchbox? Where is the lunchbox?
The lunchbox
Is
is
on.
on the table.
Very good. Repeat. The lunchbox
The lunchbox
is.
the lunchbox
Uh-huh.
is
On.
the table.
Very good. How do you spell table? How do you spell table? B.
T-A-B-L-E.
Repeat.
T-A-B-L-E.
B-L-E. Very good. Yes. Now, Salma, I have an idea. Let's play a game. Now we are going to play a game. Okay?
Yeah.
So I will start. Good. Now. Good. What color is it? What color is it?
Pink.
Good. It's pink. Yes. Now it's your turn.
Daddy, what color is it?
It's green. It's green. It's my turn now. Salma, what color is it?
It's orange.
Very good. It's orange. Now it's your turn. Repeat.
Daddy, what color
What color is it?
is it?
It's green. It's green.
It's green.
Selma, what color is it?
It's a pink.
We don't say it's a pink, we say it's pink.
It's pink.
Very good. It's your turn now.
Daddy, what color is
Is it?
it?
It's yellow. It's yellow. It's my
Yellow.
turn. Selma, what color is it?
It's a yellow.
We don't say it's a yellow, we say
It's yellow.
it's yellow. Very good. It's your turn.
Daddy, what color is
What color is it?
what color is it?
It's green. Great. Selma, what color is it?
It's orange.
Orange. It's orange. Very good. So that's enough for today. So thank you for watching and see you in
Bye-bye.
another video, okay? Goodbye.